Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Microsoft Store error, how to fix. I give you step solutions to step by step. So first method, guys, please click check Windows Update. Click to start. Go to setting. Then click to Windows Update. Then click to check for update. So guys, it is any show new update KV series and like driver also. So you have to first download and install it. Okay. Next method, run store app troubleshooter. Okay, so click to start and again click to setting. This one, close it. Click to start, go to setting. Then click to system. Then scroll down, click on find out troubleshoot. Then adult troubleshoot. Okay, then click Windows Store app. If you are not getting Windows Store app, so click on background instant transfer service to run on this. Then close. Then next, reset Microsoft cache. So click to start, type run. Okay, here to and type wsreset.exe and then hit enter. Now this is reset. Okay, close. One more step, clear cache. Okay, clear cache of my store. When this cache is false, might be it's not working, that's why getting some error. So click to start, go to setting. Then click to app, install app. So find out Microsoft Store, team, system component. Click if not getting in this store. Okay, click on three dot, then more options, click to reset. Then click to repair and after that terminate. Okay, single click, then close it. Next guys, check your system time, it is enable or not, set automatically time. Okay, click to start, type control panel, view by category, then clock and region, time, internet time, click to changes and then update now and then okay and apply and close. And guys, last and next method. So this is SFC scanner. So how to run? This is command. I will give you this command in the video descriptions. So open CMD, click to start and type CMD. Right click to run as administrator. Then yes. So this is first command. Okay. Copy and paste. If guys it is not copy paste, so you can type manually. Okay. So step by step, one by one, enter the command. This is first, second, third, fourth. Then second, then third, then last.